Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you on how to delete your Android phone backups. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. Then scroll down right here, proceed to Google. Proceed to your Google account. Proceed with Google account. Then right here, scroll down right here. Proceed with data and privacy. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Click on Content Saved from Google Services. Click on it. Now you are here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Android right here. Go ahead and click on Manage Backup. Now you are here. You have all your Android backup data right here. For you to delete all, click on Delete All Data. Once you click on Delete All Data, all backup data on that particular Android phone is going to be deleted, including about all the number of apps that you have on that particular Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.